What up? It's your boy with the upcoming 360Waves. You see, I got my blue velvet do-rag going, but enough about that. Let's get to the waves. Before I get to the waves, I just want to tell y'all that I was going to upload last week, but I wanted to do a 2-week thing, but I'm going to just start uploading every week, so enough of that. So right now I'm just ragging. I'm about to show you my progress for the last 2 weeks that I've been doing. All I've been doing is brushing. That's all I've been doing. And I get a hour brush session in every day, either 45 minutes or an hour brush session. I know it's not a lot, but it's doing the job, as y'all can see. I mean, you can see that I got a little progress over the last 2 weeks. So this is my week 6 from today. Today's Thursday. So week 6. So next week is gonna be week 7. So I'm thinking about cutting my hair on week 7 or 8, like I said before. So right now I'm just going in with the CMB brush. I hope I'm not losing your attention. But if you made it this far, comment below. Out of 5 to you, comment if you made it this far. You feel me? And like the video and subscribe and hit that little bell thing. You feel me? And I don't know, man. So right now I'm adding shea butter to my hair. It's kind of thick. It's a thick. I don't want to call it a pomade because it's kind of buttery, but it is. I'm gonna just call it a pomade. It lays my hair down. It's kind of thick. It's thick in my hair. So stay tuned. Watch the video. Finish, and I'll let y'all know what's going on. And I'm gonna show y'all what I got, what gift I got, and just stay tuned. Guess what I get? Guess what I got? Guess what I got? Guess what I got? Guess what I got? I got some clippers to cut my hair. You feel me? I'm about to show you right now. There's some wall clips, and they got this design on it, and they was 60% off, leaving it up to $20. You feel me? They was the original price was $60, but they brought in. Oh my goodness, I was so happy. Y'all don't understand. But I want to say that I'll be cutting my hair in the next video. But that's it. Y'all can go. Y'all feel me? Like the video and subscribe, and your boy is out.
getting so high all night that I smoke my sins away. Anyway, but the cops are trying to take my life away. I be getting so high all night that I smoke my sins away. Anyway, but the cops are trying to take my life today. Hell no, not 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 today. Smoke my sins away. Hell no, not today.